Hey, you're with Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. Today we're in Springfield, Ontario doing a flat roof over a metal pan. You can see around us, the client has a beautiful metal roof. Just unfortunately, the flat roof system has passed its life. So there has been many repairs. We're going to clean it off. It's actually a pretty straightforward repair. We're going to go base sheet, cap sheet, and there we go. We got a roof hatch. We got to waterproof. You can tell it's past its life cycle. There's been many repairs, so we're going to do a more permanent repair so our client no longer has to come up here and take a look. We're going to clean it off, put a peel and stick base sheet so we're not screwing anything through the metal roof, and a peel and stick cap sheet. We'll show you what it looks like. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. We finished quite a bit of the job. We cleaned off the old pan roof. We put a peel and stick base sheet. Again, a good thing about peel and stick base sheet, you're not torching it, you don't have hot asphalt on the roof. We are a good 4 stories up in the air, so it's just easier to deal with. We installed that. We brought it up the curb here, and we are actually going to give the client new cap sheet over this roof hatch. We also have a drip edge around the outside, and what that does, it's going to tie in our new flat roof system to the existing metal roof. The metal roof was a great roof he had installed, just this, they just neglected to do it, so that's what we're here. There we go. We have the new base sheet on. We are going to put a new cap sheet on. We're going to weld the seams. We're going to give him new membrane there, and away we go. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing, we finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. A new, brand new 2-ply modified bitumen roof. We did the top of the roof hatch, just kind of, he's doing the whole roof, and then the roof hatch is leaking. So Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.